TikTok marketing frequently asked questions. How can TikTok adapt to your digital strategy? TikTok has a very young clientele, unlike other platforms. If you can create videos that are captivating for TikTok followers, it could be a very valuable tool for your business. TikTok is advertised as a social media platform where users can show their true colors. And being authentic is a great marketing strategy. With a highly sophisticated TikTok editing tool system, you could really shine. TikTok lately has been testing native video ads that point to websites. This is very big news for marketers. Should brands pay attention to TikTok? Before answering this question, let us tell you a little about the Z generation, which are the most fanatical users of TikTok. You need to keep this in mind when asking why a brand should pay attention to TikTok. The Gen Zers are today's teenagers and the fastest growing group of tomorrow's trendsetters. Knowing that Gen Z is an objective population group, and if a popular Gen Z brand is not on TikTok, their brand could be missing out. How much does it cost to advertise on TikTok? Available in beta in the US. The brands that advertise on TikTok are, for the most part, companies with applications, and therefore encourages downloads. Advertisers incorporate photo editing applications such as Facetune, Enlight, and Facetify, among others. Also, the Grubhub food delivery application continues to advertise on this platform. The ads themselves are very basic, like one that was made for Go Keyboard, which is not even formatted for vertical video. But what is the cost of ads on TikTok? According to a February rate card seen by Digiday, feed ads are sold at a cost of $10 per impression, with an insignificant campaign expense of $6,000. Brand acquisition ads have a daily value of $50,000 with a guarantee of 5 million impressions. Who uses TikTok more? According to official TikTok data, the number of users that are active daily exceeds 150 million, and the monthly assets are more than 300 million. During the Spring Festival held in China, the number of users increased impressively from 40 million users to 70 million. The average age of users has also increased. Users between the ages of 24 and 30 accounted for 40% of the total number. That is, the majority of users of the TikTok platform, according to these statistics, is Gen Z. Who has the most followers on TikTok? The person who has the most followers on TikTok in 2019 is 17-year-old Lauren Gray. At some point, she presented her program on Snapchat called Glow Up. She also obtained nominations for presenting herself on social networks, for which she was nominated for the Teen Choice Awards and People's Choice Awards. This girl has also been producing music since 2017, and in May of this year, she released her single, Can't Do It. How do you go live on TikTok? Launching live on TikTok is an innovative feature of the application where users can make live videos for their followers to see what they are doing today. To launch these videos live using the application on an iPhone or an Android, follow these steps. You must install the application on your phone, which is obtained from the App Store or Google Play. Start the application, open it on your cell phone, and be sure to log into your account where you want to broadcast live. When you have started, touch the plus button at the bottom center of the program. Start recording. Look at the live button next to the record button. Touch the live button to start making your live broadcast. How do you get a verification badge on TikTok? The TikTok platform only gives verification badges to its most genuine users who have popularity and who are very influential on the network. Although the official verification statements of this platform are not disclosed, we will show you how to get a foundation of faithful followers. Follow these steps. Videos that you share are of excellent quality and that are always recorded vertically. Research popular videos to see what is popular, and try to imitate how users with featured videos advertise their own content. Try to entertain. This you do by being fun and exciting, act lively, and interact with the music and your environment in an innovative way. What content is prohibited on TikTok? The following list includes services and products that cannot be advertised on TikTok. Drugs. Ads that show and encourage drug use. Alcohol. Ads that show or encourage people to consume alcohol. cigarette and tobacco, ads that promote the use of cigarettes or any of their derivatives, sexual content, ads that show naked or any sexual content, illegal products, services, or illegal activities, lottery or random games, ads that promote gambling or online lottery, talk about hate or violence, ads that promote hate and violence, weapons, ads that promote the use of weapons. What type of content is restricted on TikTok? The following is a list of content that TikTok may allow at its discretion if the content complies with all applicable rules, laws, and regulations. Content that promotes financial services such as administration or investment of funds. Food and drinks. Ads that promote drinks or food with a high level of sugar, fat, or salt that are identified under the nutrient profile may be subject to restrictions. Medical care. Medications and pharmaceutical products cannot have misleading or inaccurate statements. What practices are prohibited on TikTok? Misleading claims. The ad should not promise exaggerated results, nor should they make claims that cannot be justified. Misleading functionality. Ads should not include items that can trick the user into relating to the ad. Silenced or immobile ads. Advertised ads must contain videos with quality audio. Ads that do not comply with this will be rejected. Lack of brand. Ads must accurately represent the product or service by clearly marking the ad within the title. Data collection. If you have a request for data, they should appear only on links outside the application.